In this video, you will learn how to use the income tax summary report in Sage Sole Trader to help you complete the self-employment section of your tax return. Before you start, to ensure accurate reporting, follow these steps. Review your draft transactions. Assign the correct categories and save them to completed transactions. Only completed transactions are included in the report. Identify and separate non-allowable expenses. HMRC has strict rules on allowable business expenses, so be sure to review their guidance. Include any necessary accounting adjustments. The report may not include all values required for your tax return, so consult your accountant if needed. To get started, from the navigation menu, click Reports and then select the Income Tax Summary Report. This report provides a breakdown of self-employment income and matches the structure of the HMRC online form, or the short version of the paper form known as the SA103s. The report automatically calculates totals for each category, making it easy to transfer data to your tax return. Use the Copy Amount button to quickly copy values for each category and enter them into your tax return. To export the report, click the Export as drop-down and choose between CSV, PDF, or Excel formats. You've now learned how to use the Income Tax Summary Report to help complete your self-employment tax return.